creating your Amazon Associates account. Okay, so you did your job and created a cool Amazon affiliate website, and now the time has come to fill it with products to promote. You are more ready than ever because we just showed you how to do it the right way. And to get your affiliate links, you'll need to become an Amazon Associate by creating an Amazon Associates account. You will only need your website information at hand and an Amazon.com account to get started. Start by going to the Amazon homepage, scroll down to the Make Money With Us title, and click on Become an Affiliate. Now click on Join Now for free. Sign up using your email address and click on Sign Up using our secure server. The first setup step is to enter your account information. Here you will be asked to enter the payee information in order to receive funds made from your Amazon affiliate website. By default, the info here will appear as your own personal info, including your full name, your address, and your phone number, but you can change it by clicking on Select Different Address if you want someone besides you receiving the funds made on your associate's account. In the Who is the main contact for this account, you can select the payee listed above or a different contact selecting someone else. Now click on Next to go to the Your Websites and Mobile Apps section. Here you have to enter at least one website or mobile app where to display your Amazon affiliate links, and you could add up to 50. So simply enter your site's domain name in the Enter Your Website field and click on Add. Then click Next. Websites or apps that are directed primarily to children under the age of 13 are not eligible to display Amazon affiliate links, so check the No box here and click on Confirm to continue. In the Profile section, you will create a profile for your affiliate websites. In the Associate Store ID, enter a simple name that you can remember, as this will be your Amazon Associate ID. Now enter a brief description of your affiliate website in the What are your websites or mobile apps about field. In the Which of the following topics best describes your websites or mobile apps display boxes, select a primary and a secondary category. In the What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps part, check all the possible product types that you plan to promote on your site. In the What type are your websites or mobile apps display boxes, select Content or Niche Website as your primary category, and a secondary category of your own choice. Let's now move on to the Traffic and Monetization section. In the How do you drive traffic to your website section, check all the options that best describe your traffic sources. In the How to utilize your websites and apps to generate income boxes, select what other types of monetization strategies are integrated into your Amazon affiliate websites, such as display advertising. Select Amazon Associates is the only way I monetize my site if you only use the Amazon Associates program to monetize your site. Fill the information required in the How do you usually build links, the How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month, the What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program, and the How did you hear about us sections to finish here. Now enter the security code provided and click on Next to move to the next section. You'll get a confirmation informing you that your identity verification has been completed. Check the box under Contract Terms to accept the operating agreement, then click on Finish. Congratulations! You are now ready to start using Associates Central.